ClickOnCare.com.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to present Truderma Absolute Radiance Serum. It contains intense bioactive depigmenting and skin lightening concentrate. It helps to fade and even dark spots, discoloration and skin tone. It is paraben free as well. Now I'll tell you how you will use this serum. Apply sufficient amount of serum to affected areas twice a day after cleaning your face. And with regular use, your skin will become clear and more radiant with a significant reduction in visible discoloration on the face. This serum is recommended in melasma, acne, hyperpigmentation, brown spot, uneven skin tone, and a dull complexion. So this serum is marketed by Regulis and it contains 30 ml in this pack.
ClickOnCare.com, the largest online cosmeceutical, derma care and nutrition store. Now on Android and